morning students, welcome to 9th standard geometry, lesson number 7, coordinate geometry, module 2. Let's recall what we studied in the previous module. First is the equation of a line parallel to the x-axis is in the form y equal to b. Second one, the equation of a line parallel to the y-axis is in the form x equal to a, and the graph of a linear equation is a straight line. Yes children, in your first module you have already completed 3 sums from the practice set 7.2. Now I am moving to your question number 4. The point Q of -3, -2 lies on a line parallel to the y-axis. Write the equation of the line and draw its graph. Solution. The point Q of -3, -2 lies on a line parallel to the y-axis. You have already learned if the x-coordinate and y-coordinate is negative, therefore the point lies in the quadrant 3. Here, therefore the point Q lies in the quadrant 3. And the equation of a line parallel to the y-axis is x equal to a. In this question, a is equal to -3. Therefore, here x is equal to -3 is the equation of the required line. And next you have to draw the graph of x is equal to -3. Draw the graph of the equation x is equal to -3. On a graph paper, first draw x-axis and y-axis. This is x dash and y dash. And the intersection of x-axis and y-axis is the point origin. That is, the coordinate is 0 and 0. And on the x-axis, left of the zeros are negative numbers and right of the zeros are positive numbers. And on the y-axis, above zeros are positive numbers and below zeros are negative numbers. And scale also right here, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on both the axes. And here the coordinate of Q, the point Q is -3 and -2, and x coordinate is -3 and y coordinate is -2. And next we have to draw the graph of the equation x is equal to -3. Draw a line on the left of the y-axis at a distance of 3 units from y-axis and parallel to the y-axis. This is x is equal to -3. Number 5. Y-axis and the line x is equal to -4 are parallel lines. What is the distance between them? It is given that the equation of the line parallel to the y-axis is x is equal to -4. There is a line on the left of the y-axis at a distance of 4 units. Therefore, distance between the y-axis and the line x is equal to -4 is 0 minus 4. That is, 0 is greater than -4. That is equal 0 plus 4 is equal to 4 units. Therefore, distance between the y-axis and the line x is equal to -4 is 4 units. Yes, question number 6. Which of the equations given below have the graph parallel to the x-axis and which ones have the graph parallel to the y-axis? You have already learned The equation of a line parallel to the x-axis is in the form y equal to b, and the equation of a line parallel to the y-axis is x equal to a. Here, first question, there are the four sub-questions are there. First question is x equal to 3. Solution. The equation of a line parallel to the y-axis is x equal to a. Therefore, the line x is equal to 3 is parallel to the y-axis. Second question, y minus 2 is equal to 0. Solution, y minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, y equal to 2, and the equation of a line parallel to the x-axis is y equal to b. Therefore, the line y minus 2 is equal to 0 is parallel to the x-axis. Question number 3. X plus 6 is equal to 0. Solution. X plus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to negative 6. The equation of a line parallel to the y-axis is x equal to a. Therefore, the line x plus 6 is equal to 0 is parallel to the y-axis. Question number 4. Y equal to negative 5. Therefore, the solution. The equation of a line parallel to the x-axis is y equal to b. Therefore, the line y equal to negative 5 is parallel to the x-axis. Question number 7. On a graph paper, plot the points A of 2, 3, B of 6, negative 1 and C of 0, 5. If these points are collinear, then draw the line which includes them. Write the coordinate of the point at which the line intersects the x-axis and the y-axis. First, you have to draw the on the graph paper. First, plot the points A of 2, 3, B of 6, negative 1 and C of 0 and 5. On a graph paper, first draw x-axis and y-axis. This is x dash and y dash, and intersection point is 0. That is O of the coordinate are 0 and 0, and the scale also right here 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on both the axes. And first plot the point A of 2 and 3. X coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is 3. Here x coordinate is 2 and the points A of 2 and 3. And second coordinate B of 6 and negative 1. X coordinate is 6 and y coordinate is negative 1. That is B of that point lies in the fourth quadrant. Therefore, B of 6 and negative 1. And third point C of 0 and 5. X coordinate is 0 means the points lies on y axis. Therefore, the point C of 0, 5 lies on y axis. And join the points C, A and B. Then you will get the straight line. The points are These points are collinear points, and the line intersect x-axis at the point D of 5 and 0 and the y-axis at the point C of 0 and 5. Question number 8. Draw the graph of the following equations on the same system of coordinates and write the coordinates of their point of intersection. The first four equations are given. The first one is x plus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to negative 4. Second one, y minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, y equal to 1. And third one, 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, 2x is equal to negative 3. X is equal to negative 3 upon 2, that is equal negative 1.5. And fourth one, 3y minus 15 is equal to 0. Therefore, 3y is equal to 15 and y equal to 15 upon 3. Therefore, y is equal to 5. These all equations you have to draw on the same graph paper. First draw the graph of the equation x is equal to negative 4, y equal to 1, x is equal to negative 1.5 and y equal to 5. On a graph paper, first draw x-axis and y-axis. The point of intersection of x-axis and y-axis is the origin. Coordinate of origin is 0 and 0. And on the x-axis, right of the zeros positive numbers, left of the zeros negative numbers. And on the y-axis, above zeros are positive numbers and below zeros are negative numbers. And scale also right here, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on both the axes. Your first equation, x is equal to negative 4. There is this line, x is equal to negative 4. This line is parallel to y-axis and to its left at the distance of 4 units. This is x plus 4 is equal to 0, that is x is equal to negative 4. And second one is y equal to 1. This line is parallel to x-axis and above x-axis and at the distance of 1 units. This also right, y minus 1 is equal to 0. And your third one, x is equal to negative 1.5. There is x is equal to negative 1.5. This line is parallel to the y-axis and towards the left at the distance of 1.5 units. And last one, y equal to 5. That is, this line is parallel to the x-axis and above x-axis and at the distance of 5 units. Here write the 3y minus 15 is equal to 0. And next is the coordinate of the point of intersection of x plus 4 is equal to 0 and y minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the line x plus 4 is equal to 0 and y minus 1 is equal to 0 is a of negative 4 and 1. And second one, the coordinate of point of intersection of y minus 1 is equal to 0 and 2x plus 3 is equal to 0 is b of negative 1.5 and 1. And third one, the coordinate of the point of intersection of 3y minus 15 is equal to 0 and 2x plus 3 is equal to 0 is c of is equal to 0 or c of negative 1.5 and 5. And last one, the coordinate of the point of intersection of x plus 4 is equal to 0 and 3y minus 15 is equal to 0 are d of negative 4 and 5. Question number 9. Draw the graph of the equations given below. First question, x plus y is equal to 2. You have to draw the graph of the equation x plus y is equal to 2. Before drawing the graph, these points keep in your mind. Firstly, you have to find at least 4 ordered pairs for given equation. Here I made the 3 ordered pairs. After that, draw x-axis and y-axis on graph paper and plot the points. Then after you see that all the points lie on one line. Then solution. First, how to find the ordered pair. First, you have to write the equation x plus y is equal to 2. Therefore, y is equal to 2 minus x. First term, let's take x is equal to 0. Substitute the value of x is equal to 0 in the equation y equal to 2 minus x. Therefore, y is equal to 2 minus 0, that is equal to, therefore x is equal to 0 and y equal to 2. Therefore, your first ordered pair is x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is 2, that is 0 and 2. And next one, x is equal to 1. Then y is equal to 2 minus x, that is equal 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Your second ordered pair x coordinate is 1 and y coordinate is 1, that is why it is 1 and 1. And next one, when x is equal to 2, therefore y is equal to 2 minus x is equal to 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore the third ordered pair is equal to 2 and 0. First you have to prepare the table like this way. First column is x and y and the ordered pair xy. Their first coordinate is the x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is 2. Therefore the ordered pair is 0, 2. Second ordered pair is 1 and 1 and third ordered pair is 2 and 0. And draw the x-axis and y-axis on graph paper and plot the points. This is x-axis, that is x dash, and the vertical line is y dash, and intersection of the two axes is the origin. The coordinate of origin is 0 and 0. And on x-axis, right of the zeros are positive numbers and left of the zeros are negative numbers. And on the y-axis, above zeros are positive numbers and below zeros are negative numbers. And scale also right here, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on both the axes. After that, plot the following points. Your first ordered pair is 0 and 2. The x coordinate is 0 means the points lies on y axis. That is, this is the x coordinate is 0 and 0 and y coordinate is 2. This points lies on y axis. And second ordered pair is 1 and 1. X coordinate is 1 and y coordinate is 1. That is x coordinate 1, y coordinate is 1. This is the point 1, 1. And the third ordered pair is 2 and 0. The y coordinate is 0 means the points, this ordered pair, this points lies on x-axis. There is 2 is the 1 and 2. This is x coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is 0. After that, join these 3 points. Then here, then you will get these points are lies on one line and the graph of the linear equation is a straight line. Yes, second equation is 3x minus y is equal to 0. Here also you have to find out the 4 ordered pair. First you have to rewrite the equation y is equal to 3x, and let's take x is equal to 0. Therefore y is equal to 3 into 0 is equal to 0. Therefore the ordered pair, first ordered pair is 0 and 0. Second one, when x is equal to 1, therefore y is equal to 3x. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. Therefore the second ordered pair is 1 and 3. And third one is x is equal to negative 1. Therefore y is equal to 3 into negative 1 is equal to negative 3. The third ordered pair is -1 and -3. After that, you have to prepare the table like this way. Your last row is xy. There is the ordered pair. Ordered pair, first ordered pair is 0, 0. Second one is 1 and 3. And third ordered pair is -1 and -3. After that, draw x-axis and y-axis on graph paper and plot the following points. And this is the x dash is the horizontal line is x dash and vertical line y dash, and intersection point is the origin 0 and 0, and the scale also right here 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on both the axes. After that, you have to plot the following points. First ordered pair is 0 and 0. X coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is 0 points lies on the origin. This point is the origin 0 and 0. Second ordered pair is 1 and 3. The two coordinates are positive. That is why this point lies in first quadrant. Therefore, x coordinate is 1 and y coordinate is 3. This is the point 1 and 3. Third ordered pair is -1 and -3. Therefore, the two coordinates x coordinate and y coordinate are negative, means the points lies in third quadrant. Therefore, x is equal to -1 and -3. This is the point -1, -3. After that, join all 3 points. Then you will see that all 3 points lies on one line. That is, the graph of the linear equation is a straight line. And one more example I am showing for your better understanding. Thank you, children. To be continued.